Hey my friends, what's going on? Kato here on a beautiful day. What's going on with your land? What's going on with your life? How you doing? How you feeling? It's the weekend. So let me know where you're watching from. If you're watching live, drop a comment. What's up with you? How you feeling? So lies about success you must watch out for. I want to share with you a couple of different lies that I think people have about success that you want to watch out for. The first one is success feels good. I hear so many times, so many people saying stuff like that. It must feel so good to be successful, or they might see someone reach their goals, or they are thinking that person must feel so great right now. On an emotional standpoint, let me tell you, if you're someone who's setting up goals and you're going after your goals, what's going to happen, and you're someone who wants to become successful, the feeling that you're going to experience in the process is nothing compared to good, right? In the process. Because what's going to happen is going to be uncomfortable because you have to grow, and growth is never easy. But in order for you to succeed, you have to grow. That's the only way you grow. You succeed by growing, because in the growth process, the old self has to die, and then for you to bring forth the new self. So many times it will require for you to change your old habits. You have to create new ones, which sucks because the person that you was, you cannot get to the next level with that same mentality. So you have to change and you have to grow. So success is not just easy. Another lie I hear is just that once you become successful, you will be happy. See, success is the ability to reach the goals that you set. Okay, success is the endurance for you to go through things and get them done and get there. Success is the consistent choice that you make to overcome your challenges and come out on top. But success is not really happiness. So I don't want you to get the two of them confused, because you can be happy right now without success, but you can also be happy with success. So don't get the two of them confused, because happiness is really being grateful. Happiness is being content. Happiness is being thankful through things just the way they are. Things don't have to change right now for you to be happy, because happiness is really a state of mind. So there's a big difference between success and happiness. So don't get the two of them confused. Another lie that I hear about success is that, that's another lie, is that success will solve all your problems. Money and success is an illusion that makes you think that they will solve all the problems that you have. But really, it's not. Because what's gonna happen once you have money, you're gonna be left with problems that money can't solve. Because these problems, some problem, whether you have millions of dollars in the bank account, money cannot solve them. So always think about that when you're thinking about, well, money's gonna solve all my problems. It's not really true. That's a lie about money and success. Money and success does not solve all your problems. It just puts you in a different category of problem. Maybe you had a certain problem when you didn't have money. Now when you have money, you have new sorts of problems that you're gonna have to deal with. And now when you have money to take care of all your problems, guess what? You're still gonna be left with problems that money cannot solve. So think that and keep that in mind. All right? So what's going on? If you're watching, where you're watching from, drop a comment. Let me know what's up. One of the last live I'm about to get, this weekend is gonna be, next week is my wife's birthday. So I'm about to go out, just have some fun time with her. But I just wanted to jump on here, share some stuff with you. I know I haven't been live on my page, but I just wanted to share some of the lie that we believe about success. One of the last lie I want to share with you is that people think that success is luck. This is a big one. That's a big lie, because it can be engineered. Matter of fact, I've seen more people that engineer the success than people who got lucky. So that's the reason you can get lucky. When it comes to success, you can get lucky one time, but you're not gonna get lucky all the time, because success is a journey. It's not a destination. So that means you might get lucky one time on the journey, but you can't get lucky every time. There's a proverb that says that when a man's knowledge is sufficient for him to attain something, if his virtue is not sufficient enough for him to hold it, whatever he gains, he will lose. That means in the process, you will have to become skillful and develop the characteristic for you to keep that stuff that you're after. The success that you're after, you're gonna have to become that person that can keep it. That's why you have someone that will get somewhere they call successful, and then they'll lose it, and they can never get it back. But if you develop the habits, you go through the journey as you're going, you did not get lucky. It's not luck. You engineer that process. You're gonna know how to get it back, even if you lose it. You have the gene. You have the gene to become successful. I have a friend of mine. She built a huge business. She lost it all, and she's in the process of rebuilding it. And it's because once you've been there, there's a thing that says that once the mind expands, it cannot go back to its original size. What's up, Kim? How you doing? Once the mind has been expanded, it cannot go back to its original size. What's up? You come in my video? My daughter wanna say hi. Say what's up to everybody.
Hi.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Alright, we're about to go out. I know they're calling me right now. Okay, it's time to go, guys. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this stuff with you. You know, there's some lies about success. You know, once your mind expands, it cannot go back to original size. Once you've been somewhere, you know what it takes to get there. I don't care where you are right now. Even if you're down, you feel like it's not gonna work out, you already have the gene. You already know what it takes to get there. So you're gonna get there again. And I had that conversation so many times with my friends, and I'm like, hey, I know you're down right now, but I know you got the gene. You've done it, you know how to get it done, you will do it again. Alright guys, but anyway, daddy got to go. You know, the chief comes in. I gotta go, but I just wanted to make this video for you quickly. Hey, listen real quick. I got a 5-day challenge coming up where I'm gonna teach you how to monetize your brand. So if you're someone that's building a brand, if you wanna take it to the next level, I have a challenge called MYB challenge. You can actually go, it's a 5-day challenge. Grab a ticket. I'm gonna put the stuff on there, you can see it. So grab a ticket at mybchallenge.com. It's gonna be for 5 days starting on Monday to Friday. So I'm gonna break down for you how you can monetize your brand and build a 7-figure business from your passion or your skill set. So if you have anything that you're good at, you have a passion, you have a skill set, I wanna show you how to monetize that to create a 7-figures business. So it's going down, it's gonna be powerful. I look forward to seeing you. We'll be diving more deep into some of the stuff that we talk about here. But yeah, guys, that was your boy Casey. Appreciate you share this video with somebody that might find some good insight into this. Remember, there's big lies about success. So hopefully you can take those and crush it. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out. See you guys later. Bye.